Hello everyone. In this video, we will make the vehicle move in a square wave pattern. The pattern is like this. So vehicle is starting from this place, looking at right direction, and then it is going to move in this pattern. And now let's visually find the pattern. If I see this 1, 2, 3, 4. So the pattern made by these 4 lines is repeating. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then again same 1, 2, 3, 4. Then again same 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I write the code for this and I repeat it 3 times, I will be able to achieve this complete. So let's do that. We start with curious mind and set up vehicle to ensure that the left and right motors are ready to accept the instructions. First is vehicle forward, going ahead for 1 second. We reach here, we have to turn left. So we take hard left turn, 0.3 seconds for 90 degrees. Now we need to go forward and take a right turn. So I'll use this, I'll just change it to right turn. So we have reached here and we are looking this side. Now again go forward and take a right turn because we have to go down now. So we have to take a right turn. So we repeat this. Go forward, take a right turn. Now go forward and we need to take a left turn. So this is this. So that means we have reached this point and we need to repeat this thing for 3 times. So we'll use repeat and just put inside. Okay. And at the end, we will stop the vehicle. So let's look this in one go. Yes. So we move forward, take a left turn, move forward, right turn, move forward, right turn, move forward, left turn. Let's say move forward, left turn, move forward, right turn, move forward, right turn, move forward, left turn. And that is what is repeated 3 times. So repeat 3 times here. That's our code for drawing the square wave pattern.